Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Bank Nifty only. So before proceeding ahead for the intraday levels and analysis for 25th of June, let us do the post market analysis quickly. So yesterday I had predicted, or my view was a bearish, as market had closed around 34,500, and I was expecting in the second half, being the expiry day, this level would get broken and we can see a downfall. But this did not happen. Market opened with a gap up, and as this zone was marked as a resistance zone, it went on through the sideways, and then it broke the levels of 34,800 and has closed above 34,800. Okay, so now let's go and see what is there for tomorrow, or what are the levels for 25th of June. So strongest support zone is at 34,500, strongest resistance is at 35,000. Below we see a stronger support at 34,000, and at the top we can see stronger resistance at 35,500. So the zone which was resistance zone 34,700 to 800, now it has started acting as a support. As I usually say, when a support is broken, it would act as a resistance, and when the resistance is broken, it would act as a support. So you can see this was the resistance zone, so it was broken at this particular level at around 1 o'clock, and then you can see it started acting as a support. So out of which 34,800 is a strong support level among these two levels. So tomorrow we can expect a small gap up opening or flat opening. This was the regarding the support and resistance levels. One more thing to consider over here is just take a look at this trend line. So for the buying side, buy above the green trend line, and on the selling side, sell below this particular support zone, that is 34,700, and below the green trend line. So this selling would be a very short sell, because immediately we do have a good support at the bottom. So I am thinking, if market is not able to break 35,000 resistance level, then between these two particular levels, 34,800 to 34,000, we can see a sideways market. This was regarding the intraday levels and analysis for 25th of June. Regarding let me show you something regarding the learnings. What do we have? So we can see a hammer type of candle form at the levels of 34,700, but as this was marked as a resistance zone, and 34,800 being the strongest or strong resistance level, I would not enter into this particular level even if there is a positive sign or a positive candle. I do not enter into the market. I would wait, and as I had explained yesterday, let the market open and come to this particular level, and when it would start reversing, or it would show a reversal, then enter into the trade. So as per the simple candlestick funda or pattern, we see a big bearish candle formed at a resistance level. So entry point would be this particular 34,775, and stop loss would be this particular high of candle. So whatever the points would be the stop loss, same would be the points for the target as well. So if we look, our target was easily achieved. We got a good downfall till this particular point. Okay, so this was one trade we can take. Second trade was as highlighted over here, when market broke this level 34,800 and went till 34,950, then it faced a resistance because it was close to the level of 35,000. So when this first candle was formed, it was equivalent to a hanging man, and it showed a signs of a reversal with the negative candle. The second thing, we can see a complete hanging man or a hammer, a red hammer. Hammer is basically a bullish candlestick pattern, but we should not take the word to word meaning. This is the second confirmation, hanging man candle. So your entry point would be the close of this particular candle, that is 34,893 would be the entry, and this would be the stop loss, 34,920. Okay, and you saw a big downfall and you would have exited with the 1:1 ratio. Your target was achieved. Second thing, if you would have drawn this particular trend line in today's market, you would have got to see how the market is taking support at this particular level, and when this downfall was happening, we saw a quick reversal taking the support at this particular point. So one more thing, how to trade the breakouts of a particular level. So you can see there was a breakout of this particular level, breakdown for this particular level, 34,800 level, but we saw a quick reversal. So in such cases you may get trapped. You just need to be aware that below this, is there a trend line supporting or is there an immediate support level. How should you take the trade with the breakouts? Just to give an example, when this particular level 34,800 was broken, when it was acting as a resistance over here, okay, you saw these three big candles and the market took a pause or it gave a retracement. So when such scenario happens, when we see a retracement, then you should enter at this particular level, so you can get a positive results or a good profit as well. So same here, this was a bit risky to trade when 34,700 levels support was broken, okay, and it reversed back. So on the downtrend we got a small profit, but when it reversed and broke the resistance of 34,700, because if you enter at this particular point, what I'm showing now, 34,750, then your stop loss would be big. So try to avoid such trades. Try to take trades where your stop loss is of hardly 30 to 40 points and your target is big. So even in this trade, you need to be patient, watch, let it retrace or reverse, whatever you call, and then enter into the trade. So there are more chances that there may be a false breakout, we may get trapped into. So even if you missed out one particular trade, do not worry, because you always have a new trade to take, okay, rather than losing the money. So in these cases, how to trade? When the market reverses from a particular level, you need to enter into the trade, okay. So I mean, when we see a breakout, when it comes to this particular level, then enter at this level. When we see when you see a positive candles over here, same case, when we saw a breakout over here, it retraced, we saw a green candle or positive candles, then enter at this particular levels based on the formation of candle, then you might have got a good profit as well. Okay, so this was regarding the learning part of the video. I hope you enjoy my analysis. Hit the like button, share with your friends, and do subscribe to the channel to get the daily analysis. Thank you.